Today's topic is to find the frequency of each word in a string. So first we are going to create a function named the count in which we are going to pass our string. After that we are splitting our string and storing them into the string 1, and we are having an empty list which is a string number 2 and an empty dictionary which is dictionary 1. We are going to go through each and every element in our string 1 and we are going to store that in the string number 2. If the element is again repeated, then we are not going to print it. If the element is the first time, then we are going to store it in the string number 2. Uh, And after that, we are going to use the for loop again, in which we are going to store the keys and the values in our dictionary 1. So the keys are gonna be our word, and the value, it's going to be the number of the occurrences of the particular word in our string. So we are going to go through each and every element up to the range of our string number 2, and after that we are going to use the dictionary one dot update method, which is going to store these values, and the string 2 dot I, that is the particular element, and the string 1 dot count of the string 2 of an I, which means it's going to count the string 2 element, and it's going to search that element at the string 1 over here, and after that it is going to store those values as a value in our dictionary 1, and we are returning the dictionary 1. As you can see it over here, our string 1 comprises of only the fruits name which are repeated so many times. So our dictionary over here can saying that the apple is 3 times repeated. Similarly, mango, orange is 2 times, and the guava is 1 time repeated.